Hey, it's Steve Zonard here at Treviso Realty. We're in Polte's, a new community in Bonita Del Sol. If you see behind us here, we have about 240 single-family homes. It's not a gated community, but the location is amazing. The proximity to the beaches, proximity to Naples, proximity to all the major services in the area. So come take a look. This is a special treat for me. It's a model I have not seen before. It's called the Easley Grand. We're in Bonita Del Sol. This is a bungalow with a loft, so a single story with a loft. And it's either a 5-bedroom, 4-bath, or you can spec it out as a 4-bedroom, 4-bath. Triple car garage, really amazing floor plan. I kind of like this one. I think this is, because I know in Verdana we have the Leighton Grand, which is a big hit, but take a look at this floor plan. So the way they spec'd out this house is going to have 3 bedrooms. So there's going to be a bedroom up front for the guests. So 3 bedrooms on the main floor and 2 on the upper. So some nice bedroom in the front there. You have, obviously this is going to be your bathroom for all the guests and this bedroom in the front. But have a look at this layout. It's really nice. It's really wide when you come in. These are the stairs up to the 2nd floor. So this is your loft area. Got a den on the side here. Like a lot of usable space. They've allocated a section here for your dining room when you walk in. And then if you get out here, this is awesome right here. Look at this grand space right here. This real huge open concept. Really nice. This almost looks like a GL design, to be honest, even with the GL doors where they split from the middle. Yeah, and these are full rollaways, which are great. I like this. This is a really nice house. Yeah, beautiful. So these are obviously the Echelon series. Yeah, I like this a lot, to be honest. We'll have a look at the master bedroom. Right here, you know what? We can still go with the kitchen. So kitchen's nice, like great island here. Nice space. These are 3 oversized chairs. You can get three or, I mean, mind you have these returns on the end, so probably will be 3 stools in here, but you can fit 4 easily if you needed to. Nice pantry here, big pantry. Yeah, got that. Obviously this is your probably entertainment package with the built-ins. You're gonna get like drink fridge off to the side. It's ceiling heights. The Leighton Grand is really grand, clearly, because it's got 12 to 13 foot ceiling heights. This is gonna be, this looks like 9-ish. Yes, looks like 9. This is obviously a model home, so these areas are purpose for the offices right now. But this would have been spec'd out as a laundry room layout with a 3rd bedroom here. And I guess this whole area would have been, or maybe this would have been a 3rd bedroom. Okay, let's just close these up. It's actually a nice lake.
Yeah.
Because this is a golf course.
Okay.
Let's take a look at this master bedroom here. Yeah, we'll take a look at the master. So good sized room, for sure. Yeah. It's it's narrow and long, but it's still got a very good width to it, for sure. And here's our bathroom. So full double sink. If you get in here, Trent, I'm just gonna close this door and show the shower. So they did, even with, this is quite nice, they did this, like a no transition into this, or like an easy transition, so they didn't have that step down that they usually do, which is great. Did a nice job with this too. If you can kind of see, you have all your handles here for, well, they put a shower head, look at that, like a rain shower head. Mm-hmm. So that's cool. Yeah, they're modernizing things a lot now. So that should have been in every house, to be honest, every Echelon series. Separate water closet, which is always a great idea. And then they have this his and hers split walk-in closet, so you can have, obviously one side to the other. Let's go. We'll go up to the loft. So this is a really nice loft. Huge, and it's also got 2 bedrooms with another bathroom upstairs. Look at that. That's art, I guess. It's like when you were a kid, right? You just like
It's like one of those hole punch things for Christmas.
Yeah,
after you eat the candy out of it.
You go to the yeah, fair enough. The Christmas, counting the days of Christmas. See, this is very usable space. This is a massive loft. So you clearly set this up as a wall unit with a television, this whole thing, or if you want to just keep it games, whatever you'd like, but you got a lot of space. So this is the loft, and this is, oh mind you, look, so it's got a separate room up here. So this is a theater room, and that's the games room. So it's a separate living area, which is great. Yeah, really, really, really nice layout. This might be my favorite model.
Yeah, I like this one a lot.
Yeah. I like this usable space, right? You can coordinate, even if the kids want to have their friends over, they can close a door and not interrupt. Let's just say, like, you can even have like an adult social time here too, right? Has set up like a little bar cart and stuff like that. It'd be nice if it was a wet bar. You had a wet bar up here, but
yeah.
I mean, clearly it's still really nice.
Here, hold on, gonna be fucked. All right.
Yeah. So down this area here, you're gonna have 2 bedrooms on either side, and then a bathroom in the middle that splits both rooms here. This bathroom is obviously gonna be serviced to the main room here, the theater room, and these 2 bedrooms. But really, really nice sized rooms here. This is a great house. If somebody, this could be suitable for any family, to be honest, or any situation. Either it's adult. Active adults moving with empty nesting, right? And they have kids that kind of visit with grandkids. They can use this. If there's a young family, they can use this house too, because you can have the kids even on the main floor if you do the 3-bed spec on the main floor and still have all this area. And this is the last bedroom. We're using the same windows, Cape Coral. Yeah, another walk-in closet. Really, really cool. And if you kind of see this area here, see how the roof kind of dips down? This is because it's considered a loft, and this room's built into the roof.